sweetheart, that's my darling, Ariana. And this is, please welcome to our house. This is one painting when we bought, we really thought of it. And there's something I really like about this painting is like, there's some feel-good factor to it. These people, both the women, they kind of there, and some positivity is there. It's not that they're shouting, screaming, laughing, giggling, but there is some kind of positivity to it. So this is like probably the first thing that she bought when we were like decorating the house. Yeah, and this is my daughter's name, Ariana, my sweetheart's name. And this is apparently, it's such a beautiful thing, and it's been sent to me from a wonderful admirer. She's in London. She's still in UK, and she's basically an artist and a teacher. So she's the one who sent me this, and we just love this. And everybody who comes home, that's the first thing they notice, and that's what they make. What a wonderful thing. So I'm so grateful to her for sending me such a wonderful thing. And this is like, it's the mini library, the small library that we have at home. And I used to love reading. I mean, there have been like amazing books that I read. The first book which I ever read was this one, Many Lives, Many Masters. So this was the book which is gifted to me by a very special person. So this is one book which I have read a couple of times. And a lot of people, they wanted to borrow this book, but I never gave it to anyone. I refused it. One section of the house which I never leave my house without taking blessings from my dad, from once. So one thing probably which I say the most in a day is like Jai Mata Di. So I might be saying that probably a million times a day. So Jai Mata Di. And before I leave my house, that's one place I always take blessings from. And my daughter also, before going to school or wherever she sees Mandir, she'll always make it a point. Whenever she sees anything related to God, Mandir or anything, she'll always make it a point. Papa Jai karne, Papa Jai karne. If there is Sindhur or something like that, she'll put it on herself, and she'll put it on me as well. Papa Tika, Papa Tika. That's my wife.
Hi.
So she is basically like
I'm in the kitchen most of the times. Today he will be in the kitchen for a change.
She loves cooking, and she's a wonderful cook. So most of the time I don't need to cook anything because she herself is a wonderful cook. And but there are a few things that I can cook. I can cook wonderful egg and Maggi. That's my favorite. So I am going to do it, but today I won't be. But there are no eggs today, so I'll do one thing. I'll just cook Maggi, and I'll show you how the Maggi is being cooked. The way I cook it. It's not like अब इनके पानी डालूंगा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
So do you like cooking?
I like cooking as in there are only few things that I can cook. Yeah.
Okay.
There are only like few things that I can cook.
Okay.
Maggi is one of the things. See, I'm just being told कि हमको गैस तो जलाएंगे, है ना? तो अब ये है कि मैं गैस भी चला देता हूँ. When I was staying alone, जब मैं अकेला रहता था, जब बॉम्बे में अकेला रहता था, उस टाइम पे अगर कभी कुछ कुक करना होता था, तो ऐसा होता था कि मुझे आज भी याद है, मैंने मम्मा से पूछा फ़ोन करके कि मम्मा दाल कैसे बनाते हैं. बहुत भूख लगी, तो मैं दाल मैंने रखी. उसके बाद मैं नीचे चला गया, घर में दाल रखी, मैं नीचे चला गया. मैंने कहा चलो थोड़ी दाल बन गई, बाकी गैस बंद थी, मैंने कहा नीचे चला जाता. तो वापस आया, फिर वापस दाल जला दी. तो पता नहीं उसके बाद उसका क्या बना था, दाल का सड़ गई थी या क्या था. मतलब आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट वाज द लास्ट टाइम आई एवर ट्राइड कुकिंग. उसके बाद तो मैंने कभी कुछ बनाया नहीं. उसके बाद मैंने मतलब जस्ट प्लेइंग सेफ, मैगी बना ली या अंडे बना लिए. पर जो चीज़ मैं बनाता हूँ, शी रियली लव्स इट. Ashrita, she loves it. Like whenever I make something, she's like, "I'm good. You are a fabulous. You are a chef, not just a cook." So she loves whatever I make. See, and you can ask her. You can ask from the horses. You can get to know from the horses now that I made Maggi for her, and she loves it. Absolutely loves it. And Abhi, right now also you can see like the water dropping from her mouth. Uncle Maggi बना रहा है, मुझे Maggi खाने को मिलेगी. Uncle के हाथ की Maggi, so she loves that. She loves that.
So let me tell you honestly, yes, he did make Maggi once, which was
And
under
Maggi.
Maggi. And he was right when he said that I still haven't gotten over it. It took me a long time to have Maggi again. It was so I was wondering how can somebody screw up Maggi. And Maggi is the simplest thing to make, but even he could not even make that. So he has lived like a typical Punjabi guy, and he doesn't enter the kitchen. He doesn't.
No,
cook
that
at
time,
all.
see, the thing is, she could not understand Maggi because that time her taste buds were not developed. But now, but now she'll love it. She'll enjoy it. You
Yes.
know,
So let's see how it turns out today. I'm waiting to see.
This is going to be just amazing.
ओके
Just amazing.
बिग बॉस के घर में हमने देखा है कि काफी झगड़े होते हैं किचन में, तो ये इस किचन में झगड़े होते हैं या नहीं होते?
नहीं
वो
नहीं
नहीं होता because वो enter ही नहीं करता. He doesn't enter the kitchen, as I said. So I cook for him, and he's absolutely happy to just have whatever I cook.
Yeah, that's one thing. I really admire whatever she makes. Even if I don't admire, I don't have a choice. I eat whatever she makes.
Yeah.
What is his favorite dish that he likes to eat every day?
So like how you can see, he likes to eat anything healthy and anything home cooked. He's happy with it. I have to cook a lot of salads for him, so I have to be innovative that way. So you can't just make regular dal roti sabzi. It has to be grilled chicken, salads, and other healthy things for him. Yeah.
So मैगी काफी अच्छी बन रही है.
मैं कह रहा हूँ आप खा के देखना, you will love it. The only thing I regret is like I can't. My audience is not there. They won't be able to taste the wonderful Maggi that I'm going to make. So that's the only regret I have. But you will love it. You will absolutely love it.
You sure? Should I
This
go
is
ahead?
amazing. You're going to love it.
So we'll do what? You wanna try first?
I mean, I made it. Has to be hot, yeah.
So see, there's not a lot that can go wrong with a Maggi.
Shut up. I made it. So it's so much of love and affection. ये नहीं love and affection नहीं दिखा. Isn't it amazing?
It's nice.
Okay. So MasterChef में apply कर सकते हैं next.
I can go for MasterChef as well.
Yeah.
Man, I'm so talented. नजर न लगे मुझे.
You wanna try your own Maggi?
Yeah, of course I'm gonna have it. And you have to have this Maggi as well. You know, I made it especially for you. I love it.
Superb.
I feel I'm
The
like
best Maggi ever.
one thing I really like about this room is the size of the bed. I just love the size of the bed. This is like I just wanted the bigger bed so that I can't sleep. I sleep with my dog. I have to have her with me, hugging me. Only then I probably sleep. Otherwise, I'm not comfortable. So she sleeps with me in the center, and the way she sleeps like a king. So I wanted the bigger bed, the biggest bed possible. So that's why. And another thing I really I'm fond of is perfumes. So that's my collection of perfumes. So it's like, and apparently none of them has been bought by me. None of them it's been bought by me. It's all been like gifted from someone or the other. So from special people.
Which one is your favorite?
This is like my oldest perfume. This is like CK1 or CKB. I'm not even sure. CKB. That's the oldest perfume. I bought it like years back when I was in school, and I still have that. I make it a point to not use it.